Welcome to 30 Minutes Tips. Today I'll show you how to fix wireless keyboard connection problems on Android phones and tablets. Most devices support wireless keyboards, but some will only work if certain modes or settings are correctly enabled. Let's go through compatibility, how to connect, and how to fix the most common issues. Check if your Android device supports wireless keyboards. Most modern Android phones and tablets support wireless input. This includes brands such as Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Realme, Infinix, Tecno, Vivo, OnePlus, Google Pixel, Huawei, and almost all devices running Android 8 or newer. However, some older phones, very low-end models, or devices with heavily customized Android systems may not fully support physical keyboards. Phones older than 2016 are the most limited. Make sure the keyboard is in the correct wireless mode. Many people forget this step, especially with generic keyboards. Most universal wireless keyboards have a switch for Bluetooth 2.4G or off, a mode button, or Bluetooth channels like BT1, BT2, BT3. You must select the correct mode, or the phone will never detect it. Choose Bluetooth mode if you want to pair via Bluetooth. Choose 2.4G mode if you're using the USB receiver. If the wrong mode is selected, your Android device will not connect. Pairing a Bluetooth keyboard correctly. Turn on your keyboard and enable pairing mode. A blinking light usually confirms it's ready. On your Android phone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and enable Bluetooth. Your keyboard should appear under Available Devices. Tap it and wait until it shows Connected. If it doesn't appear, your device might not support Bluetooth HID input, which is required for physical keyboards. Using a keyboard with a USB wireless receiver. If your keyboard uses a USB dongle, you need a USB OTG adapter. Connect the receiver to the OTG adapter, then plug it into your phone or tablet. If your device supports OTG, the keyboard will work instantly. Some brands like Infinix, Tecno, Xiaomi, and Samsung have an OTG toggle in settings. If your keyboard doesn't respond, search for OTG USB accessories or USB host and enable it. Check physical keyboard settings. Go to Settings, System Languages, and input Physical Keyboard. If this menu appears, your device supports external keyboards. Here you can adjust layout, language, and shortcut behavior. If this menu does not appear, your device may not fully support physical keyboards. Final tips. Switch your keyboard to the correct wireless mode, restart Bluetooth, remove old paired devices, or try the keyboard on another phone to confirm it works. Most problems come from choosing the wrong mode, having OTG disabled, or Bluetooth limitations on older devices. That's how to fix wireless keyboard connection problems on Android. Whether you use Samsung, Infinix, Xiaomi, or any modern device, your keyboard should work as long as the correct mode and settings are enabled. For more quick tech tutorials, stay tuned for the next 30 Minutes Tips video.